So 1 billion people are getting smartphones this year, and one attribute of a smartphone is it has a microphone.
It does.
So this next company, SpeakIt, is, we're here, by the way, at the TechCrunch Disrupt 2014 Expo Hall at the Rackspace booth, and we're meeting lots of entrepreneurs who are building interesting companies. So SpeakIt is a company that's building services for talking with each other, right? Is that the way you would put it?
That's correct. That's correct.
Who are you?
So my name is Ross Kukulinski. I'm the founder and CEO of a company called SpeakIt.io, and we're providing scalable real-time communications for mobile devices and browsers.
Yeah. And so did I set you up right? That
you did a great job.
You have a good market opportunity because a lot of people are going to have microphones in the future.
Absolutely, especially with all the app devices that have microphones and videos and cameras, as well as browsers. So we're seeing new technologies that are allowing us to have real-time voice communication and video, and more importantly, data sharing, just a data agnostic sharing in web browsers between browsers.
Yeah.
But one of the problems is that your network connectivity from your device may not be all that great. And so if you have a large-scale conference, if you've got 15, 20, or 200 friends or followers that you want to be able to do a presentation, or you're sharing media at a concert, and you want to be able to distribute that to all of your peers, these current new emerging technologies are all peer-to-peer, which is great, but it doesn't scale.
Yeah.
And so what we've done at SpeakIt is we've built a scalable back end that allows developers or users to share content and communicate within groups of large scale around the globe.
Yeah. Why do we need yet another way to communicate? I mean, we have so many conferencing services out there. The iPhone and Android are coming out, taking off, and there's going to be conferences built into that. Why do we need yet another company to help us with audio?
Well, so there's a couple of aspects. One, I think audio tends to be pushed to the pushed to the back.
Yeah.
Everybody wants video.
It's not sexy.
It's not sexy. Audio is not sexy. I know that. I've been doing audio now for 5+ years. Audio is the least thing. But the problem is that audio is one of the most important aspects. If you're watching a TV show and the video glitches, it's fine. You keep watching. If the audio goes out or the audio glitches, or if it keeps glitching, you're going to turn the channel off. You're going to stop watching, you're going to stop participating. So if you're a business and your employees can't talk to each other, but they can see each other, it doesn't matter. You're wasting money. So that's a big aspect, is that we're focusing on the high quality audio piece.
So who's going to be your best customer to start out with? Your company's a new company, right?
We're a new company, we're just spinning out.
Yeah.
So in fact, there are some groups within Rackspace that are using SpeakIt. So I think there's going to be small and mid-sized companies that have distributed workforces. You know, we're seeing this increasing popularity of having workers working from home, working from coffee shops, working from co-working spaces. And those people need to communicate effectively.
Yeah.
The second piece are going to be companies that want to be able to have presentations with their customers that aren't necessarily part of whatever app ecosystem that company has. And being able to share a link with your customer, have them click the link, it opens in their web browser, and they're part of the conference. There's no setting up, there's a quick setup of, hey, yep, we got your microphone, we see you, things are sounding good, click here to join, bam.
Yeah.
You're in the conference. You don't have to type an 18-digit code, you don't have to figure out what 800 phone number to call, you click a link, and you're in the conference.
Yeah. How much does this cost? It's probably an enterprise sales kind of thing, right? Or is it a per user kind of thing?
We're still in a private beta right now, but how we'll be scaling out the pricing is if you want to use the complete end-to-end SpeakIt solution, so that includes file uploads, image sharing, screen sharing, all those capabilities, it's a per user fee. So per user, use it as much as you want every month.
Yeah.
You can have hundreds of rooms, we don't care. It's a per user fee. We're also providing our back-end system as an API for third party. So companies that want to add a help desk on their webpage, one click, talk to a support person, that's an API level system, and that is going to be on a per streaming system. So it might be per minute, it might be based on bandwidth utilization. We're going to be working with our initial batch of customers, finding out what pricing model is going to work best for them, while also making sure that we're able to sustain growth and continue providing high quality products and services to our customers.
Very cool. What's the challenge of building this business? You spun out of an existing business, so how did you fund that? And are you going to look for institutional funding, venture capital, we call it?
So that's a great question. We're actually taking a unique track from a lot of companies here in the Bay Area. We are spinning out of a company called Advanced Simulation Technology. It's a company that's been around for about 25 years now, doing real-time voice communication and sound simulation for flight simulator training and military training. So we've been doing real-time voice in communication systems for 20 years for military. So we know the scalability aspects and we know the audio aspects. The struggle that's for us, especially myself, is to be adapting our technology and our products for the consumer marketplace. Yeah. So we're used to these really long lead cycles. And so when we brought the group here about 2 years ago, starting up a labs future technology group here, which is my group, and we started sort of sucking in all of the knowledge and expertise here in the Bay Area about how to iterate quickly, how to get in touch with your customers, get that tight, closed feedback loop so you can build a product faster and efficiently. And we've spent the last 2 years doing that for military customers. Yep. And now we're trying to learn and use that expertise and bring that to commercial markets.
Very cool. Where do we learn more about it?
You can visit us at SpeakIt.io. https://speakit.io.
Very cool. Thanks for coming
Excellent.
in. It's been
well, thank you very much.
A little bit of
Pleasure to meet you.
Here at TechCrunch Disrupt. I'm sure you're having a busy day over your booth. Thank you very much. We'll be back soon with more interviews from TechCrunch Disrupt from the Rackspace booth here at TechCrunch Disrupt 2014. Thank you.
Thank you.